You are going to love the 2018 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup and is priced below $70,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: hill descent control, rear step bumper, remote keyless entry, speed control, trailering package, power sunroof, rear window defroster, power sliding rear window, HD radio, Sirius satellite radio. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.